Hello students. This is another question from the topic straight lines. Now if you want to read the question, you may pause the video and then read. So let us start with the solution now. So here it says that the height of the helicopter above the sea level is given by this equation h plus 150, h is equal to 150 plus 120 into t, and the height is in meters and the time is in minutes. So it is important to note that the time is in minutes here. So what height above the sea level did the helicopter take off from? So what does that mean? It means that when time was zero, when we were just starting, and the time was t is equal to 0 minutes, then what was the height? We can straight away put t is equal to 0 here, and what do we get? 150 plus 120 into 0, that is 150 meters. So the helicopter took off from the height of 150 meters. Now, what do we interpret? How do we interpret the value of 120 in this equation? So, if you notice, this is the form of a AP. So, AP was A plus BN, right? So, what was B here? If you remember this chapter, so B was the common difference. Also, if you notice, at t is equal to, let's say 0 second, we got the height as 150 meters, right? And if we take t is equal to 1 seconds, what is the height? The height is 150 plus 120 meters, which is 270 meters. So what does it tell us? That every minute the helicopter will rise to a height of 120 meters. So this is the significance of this figure 120 in the equation, right? So now let us move to the part C. So find the height of the helicopter above the sea level after 2 minutes. So clearly they are telling us that t is equal to 2, and we can insert the value of t here in this equation. So what do we get? H is equal to 150 plus 120 into 2, that is 150 plus 240, and that is equal to 390 meters. So starting on a fresh page, now let us do the part D. So there we are being asked that how long will it take for the helicopter to be 650 meter above sea level. So they're already giving us the height. They're saying that the height is 650 meters, and after how much time will we reach there? So the question is ki find t. We have to solve for t. So you can simply put this equation in the calculator, or we can also solve it manually, which is actually faster. So 650 minus 150 is 500, is equal to 120 into t, and then t is equal to 500 divided by 120. And then we can simplify 25 upon 6, which would be, now this is a trick which you can learn to make your calculation faster. 4 plus 1 over 6. So this is obviously in minutes. So how can we convert this 1 by 6 minutes into seconds? So we will say 1 by 6 into 60, that is equal to 10. So the answer would be 4 minutes plus 10 seconds. So that's how we can solve this. So if you have any question pertaining, if you have any doubts pertaining to this question, then please put it in the comment section and we would revert.